Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to add a custom name tag on your tabby or on your game that you are creating on the Roblox Studio, then this video is for you. First, you have to do is you have to open a space here that you are, or the project, open the project that you are currently working on. Now you can find the search box here in the toolbox here, just like here. And here is the search bar where you can search for custom name tag. And here you can see the recommendation here, so simply click on it, and here you can find the custom name tag. Here you can go with the success rate that actually this has a pretty great good review, so you can simply click on it. When you click on it, then it will show you something like name included, okay, that it has just added here. So here you can see that custom RP name here. So you have to do is simply expand that section here, or you can do is, so you have to actually, that was a wrong one, so you have to choose this one. You have, when you simply search for custom name tag here, and you can find there is this creator here, that Manta Boy. So the custom name tag, you have to simply click on it and simply click on OK. So when you have this name tag files here, you can find it here. Now simply click on this expand section here, where you can find the name tag script and the name tag here. So you have to do is simply hold this name tag script and drag it to the server script service. So when you put that name tag script in your server's script service, then you have to do is you have to hold the name tag and again drop this name tag to server storage, just like this. Now after that, you have to do is simply hit enter, and when you have hit enter, then you can restart your game. When you try to restart your game, then come back to your game, and you can see there is some custom names that appears on that all the characters head, on the character head here, according to the server that the players are joining, according to their usernames. And you can set it like if you want to change it, or you want to add some certain name, specific name, then you can do is double click on name tag script here, and you can find if player dot name double equal and a quotation mark here, where you can enter a specific name. Then they can actually use their username as on the name tag. If, for example, I want to add like anything man, so the player will be appear with this man name tag. So that's how you can specify a name tag if you want. So that's how you can just do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.